In this video, I'll show you how to use Perplexity AI to create a personalized and structured study plan for any subject. Let's get started. I begin by typing a detailed prompt into the main search bar asking for a 4-week Python programming plan designed for beginners that includes daily topics and free learning resources. Once I hit enter, Perplexity begins searching the web to curate the best available materials for my request. The result is a highly organized table that breaks down my first week into manageable daily tasks, covering everything from initial installation to basic syntax and logic. It even provides direct links to high-quality resources like Google's Python class and FreeCodeCamp, so I don't have to spend time searching for them myself. As I scroll through the results, I see that the plan logically progresses into core data structures in week 2, followed by functions and error handling in week 3. The final week focuses on practical application with small project ideas and a full review to ensure I've truly mastered the material. Next, I'll show you how to generate a plan for a specific professional certification. In the follow-up bar at the bottom, I type a request for a more intensive 2-week study guide for the AWS Certified Cloud Practitioner exam, making sure to ask for specific practice quiz sources. Perplexity instantly structures the information into the 4 official exam domains, giving me a day-by-day breakdown of cloud foundations, security, and billing concepts. It also lists specific trusted quiz platforms like Tutorials, Dojo, and Digital Cloud Training to help me gauge my readiness for the actual test. By using these AI-generated plans, I can save hours of manual research and stay focused on actually learning the material. Whether I'm tackling coding or cloud computing, I now have a clear, actionable roadmap to reach my goals efficiently. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.